Beautiful places to visit in Kashmir. Number 1, Srinagar. Srinagar is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful and famous places to visit in Kashmir as well as in India. From boating to trekking, bird watching to water skiing, Srinagar place has it all. Locally, this place is known as a mirror to the mountains. Srinagar is a first stop over for every traveler, and there are a long list of places to visit in Srinagar, Kashmir. The largest city of Kashmir, this place is enclosed by the Green Mountains, and the main highlight being the Dal Lake, which is the gem of the state. This place gives a close outlook to the Kashmiri cuisine and the state's culture. Number 2, Gulmarg. Gulmarg is considered to be one of the best places to visit in Kashmir for all right reasons. This region in Kashmir is also known as the adventurer's paradise because of its vast options of skiing in the snow while enjoying the waves around. The best time to visit Kashmir for snowfall is in winter season, that is December to January. And what are the things that you can do in Gulmarg? You can do mountain biking, trekking, skiing if you visit in winters, and gondola rides for a panoramic view of the valley. Number 3 is Sonamarg. Sonamarg, as the name suggests, is famous as the meadow of gold. An endless stream of stunning flowers and undulated trekking routes are its attractions. Sonamarg has to be in every visitor's list of places to visit in Kashmir for its mesmerizing aura and breathtaking views. The best season to visit Kashmir would be in summer, that is May-June, when the valley is blooming with variegated flowers. You can do trekking, camping and nature walks in summer. Next is Kupwara. Kupwara is a Somali district located in the state of Jammu and Kashmir and situated at a distance of 90 kilometers from the state capital Srinagar. Blessed with nature's finest views, the thriving meadows, alpine mountains and the gushing clear water make Kupwara a must-visit destination in Kashmir. This city epitomizes the beauty of Kashmir. You can visit Lola Valley, Kamar Rishi Sahib Shrine, Sheikh Baba Behram, etc. Next one is all about natural springs and apple orchards, that is Pulwama. Famously named as the rice bowl of Kashmir, this quaint village in Jammu and Kashmir is a great place to witness the nature's real beauty of the state. Situated at a distance of 40 kilometers from Srinagar, this place has many tourist sites for the first-time travelers to explore. The multi-hued city offers amiable weather, pleasant odors, saffron fields, malleable seasons. One cannot have enough of the saffron fields and the rich culture in Pulwama. You can do mountaineering and trekking in summers and skiing and snowboarding in winters. Next is none other than Pahalgam. Pahalgam is considered as an illustration of the heaven on earth, which is situated at an altitude of 2,740 meters. It is situated at a distance of 95 kilometers from Srinagar and surrounded by dense forests. Beautiful lakes and meadows of flowers, tranquility and serenity are the other names of Pahalgam. This tiny town is known to suck out all the citrus of every visitor and is therefore counted amongst the best places to visit in Kashmir. You can visit to Betab and Aru valleys, horseback riding and canoeing. Next is Dora. We call it Mini Kashmir. Blessed with diversity in its landscape, Dora is a place for adventure and nature lovers. Whether you are a beginner in adventure activities or an expert, you will consider this a gem. Dora is though lesser known among tourists. It's well known for two Hindu shrines, namely Atra Devi Temple and Chindi Mata Temple. You can visit Dora in summers and you can do trekking, mountaineering, rock climbing and temple visit. Next one is Poonch. One of the top beautiful places in Kashmir, without a doubt, is Poonch. The lush green meadows, view of snow-capped mountains, and the 18th century Poonch Fort combine to weave a panorama that makes you weak in the knees. The 7 lakes of Kirtandok have to be in your itinerary, alongside many religious shrines like Bakht Sahib and Gurdwara Nangali Sahib. You can visit this place in summer and you can do temple visit, trekking and sightseeing. Next is Anantnag, the hometown to temples. Adorned with flourishing gardens and freshwater springs, Anantnag is a divine destination. Right here you get to enjoy the comfort of a city and the essence of nature. There is a number of places you can go on for a day tour such as Verinag and Aksum. Surely our list of Kashmir tourist places wouldn't be complete without mentioning this one. You can visit Anantnag anytime. And the thing is that you can do is sightseeing, day trips and temple visit.